We got a 67 Camaro here. I know there's a lot of Camaros. This one's just special. It's just extra clean, extra nice. The color's beautiful. Just everyone really likes this car in particular. It's slick as can be. The paint job on it's phenomenal. It's got a clear coat that's just polished out like glass. Matter of fact, the glass is crystal clear. All the trim, moldings, emblems, it's all beautiful. Got bumper guards. The grille is all new. Got the stripe painted over the nose. You don't even feel the stripe. Really upped our quality lately. I'm going after the best cars that I can get. Not trying to find the cheapest cars. I'm trying to find the best cars. And this is certainly one of them. Nice 14x7 rally wheels with a good sized BF Goodrich tire. It's all new trim on there. This is body off the frame. Go to volocars.com. You'll see all the pictures of the undersides even painted blue. I bought it in North Carolina. The guy told me I could drive it back to Chicago. It's a turnkey car and functions really, really well. Sits nice. No vinyl top. The spoiler, tail lights, gas cap, all that stuff is pristine. Come around to this side, it's just as nice. And stick around, I'm going to fire it up here in a minute. Take it for a little run. Got some dirty footprints in there, but aside from that, this interior is outstanding. It has a complete new gauge cluster with electronic speedometer, tachometer. It has about 3,700 miles on it since it's been done. Painted just as slick as the outside, and it's got a tilt polished wheel. Even has the overdrive symbol here because it does have an overdrive trans. The bench seat is really cool. You never see that in a Camaro. I always say if you want to sit next to your sweetie, you put it up, let her sit next to you, and the days you don't, you just put it down. That's called the strat-o-bench seat. It's two strato buckets. They're merged together. Look at the door jamb. It's a super slick car. It has the cowl hood on it. You're going to be impressed when I open the hood. Look at that. It's a 350 motor. Look at all the billet pulleys and brackets and the little mini air conditioning compressor, one-wire alternator, modern power steering system. That motor is beautiful. This big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. It has rack and pinion steering under there too. Like I said, it's an overdrive 700 R4 trans. It's a great, great cruising car. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Putting cool cars on there all the time. They're all for sale. Go to volocars.com to see the current inventory and all the pricing.